Hey guys, welcome to the channel. On this video we're going to blow your mind with 2 cooking techniques. One in a pot over embers, and 3 chickens in a barrel with 3 burning bales of hay over the top. Hi guys, come on in. Welcome to the Thai kitchen. This is them. Sweaty Cab. So we're gonna take you through all the ingredients that we need for the marinade. So just real quick, we've got cafe lime, we've got white peppercorns, Kampot white peppercorns from Cambodia. We've got garlic, coriander root, spring onions. We've got lemongrass, shallots, galangal, some salt, chilies. Coming over to the sauces, we've got some oyster sauce. We've got some blara. I have no idea what that is. And some pickled garlic. Right, let's let it marinate. Lemongrass from the garden. Okay, so Em told me, a master of this marinade, to put 4 handfuls of dried chilies in there. 1, 2, 3. Keep going.
Oh.
4.
Okay.
Oh, one for love. Okay. Get it in. Okay, we've swapped over because it's 42 degrees, really, really hot, and the pot pot's too small. Okay, so we're going to add the chilies back in, so lots of them. Okay, meat's prepped, marinade's prepped, so it's time to marinate the meat, and then we'll crack on with the fire and the barbecues. Okay, so that's M's chicken in a pot. So he's pretty famous for that. I've tasted it, it's pretty incredible. So it's gonna be quite hard to beat. I'm gonna marinate the chicken, the whole chickens with the same marinade. We're gonna stick them on beer bottles, and then we're gonna cook these under a barrel over a whole bale of hay. Yeah. Lastly, I'm going to stuff it with lemongrass leaves. Then I'm going to stick them on beer bottles. Job's a good one. Okay, so we're gonna put the chickens on the bottles. Pretty much like beer can chicken. And M here is gonna pop them down into the bottles.
ไปตั้งเลยมันจะอยู่ไหมอ่ะ
So we got water in the bowls and water in the bottles to keep the moisture in and stop it from being such a fierce heat. Okay, let's fire it up. So Em's got his massive piece here in the pot. Like you seen earlier when we marinated, this is our little Thai towel grill of charcoal. So we're going to cook this over embers. So if you see here, look closely, we've got just kitchen roll like under here. So essentially we're cooking under pressure. So he's going to put some water in the top of here as well, just to keep it all in. See you in half an hour. Now for my experiment. As you can see, I have a huge amount of hay and I'm going to light it up. Here we go. Marinade. Holy shit! Let's add some more. Great big. Okay, so instinctively, Em says this is done. It's had half an hour. He's going to take it off and we're just going to put it by the truck. We're just going to let this rest for like a good half an hour as well. And then we'll open her up and we'll try both.
Told me that it's gold free. I wanna touch everything.
Okay guys, so we're going to do the big reveal. This is the big one. Oh hey! Hey! Okay, so I said it was an experiment, but I didn't think it would quite go like this. I'm pretty sure M wins. Okay, so we're going to do the taste test. I think we all know who won from the results. So M's going to spoon that onto there now, and we'll try both. Huh?
Okay, แค่นี้ค่ะแค่นี้แหละโอเค
Right, shall I try mine first? Okay. Yeah, it's quite considerable. Well, as you can see, there's no moisture at all. It's definitely burned. Yeah. Just so you know, I'm making M try this just for shits and giggles. Okay, so now that that's over, we're gonna try that. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Cooked in a pot. Would you believe it? Unbelievable. Okay, so there we have it. M wins. If you like that video, smash the like button. Of course, if you like the channel, subscribe. There's going to be an episode 2 where we cook the chicken perfectly. I hope. But if you enjoyed that as much as we did, thank you for watching to the end. We'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.